this thing right now, what she's doing, she's not being 100% honest with me. It sounds as though she didn't want to do SafeP, but they made her do SafeP. Then she's released from SafeP and she's in aftercare and she don't want to do that. So she starts doing her own thing. I'm not understanding. So you leave SafeP and you start drinking.
Yeah, ma'am. A few weeks after I get out, I drank like once or twice. I just had a lot of.
Can I say something, Judge?
Sure.
Okay. So I spent a little time with her, and I don't know if maybe she's not remembering or the communications we had. We went over the excuses and how just give them the facts and tell them what happened. What I see in this is, I asked her, how did it happen? What happened? What was her plan? What was the goal? How did it work after you got off? You got out just like you just went through with her. What she hasn't said was that she tried to enroll in school. She moved back home, I believe, correct? With your parents. And so that's where we stopped. I think it was a few months ago.
Well, here's the thing. When you move back in with your parents, the felony drug court approved you moving back in with your parents?
No, ma'am.
All right. See, that's part of the problem because felony drug court has rules where you can stay, what you can be doing. When she got out of inpatient treatment at SafeP has an aftercare program, which is what she's supposed to be in, and felony drug court would still keep track of her. So felony drug court has a dual diagnosis program. Mm-hmm. And if she had mental health issues that were happening, they would address those. But if it's somebody who wants to do whatever they want to do, drug court is just not going to let you do whatever you want to do.
Correct. And that's why we are asking the court to consider what the probation office has recommended, which was to put her back in the DDR program, Judge, because I agree. I mean, I think she did better in that treatment program versus what we're talking about here on the SafeP and handing it over to her. She wants that. She wants that reinforcement of the mental health component.
But here's the thing. DDRF is in inpatient treatment.
She understands.
I don't think she's a good candidate for probation. I don't think she's a good candidate. Felony drug court is a very good program if you follow the rules, but sometimes people don't want to follow the rules. I don't think she's a good candidate for probation.
I believe this was only as far as I know, Judge, from what I can speak to is the report, this was the only violation that we have on her, and it was right after SafeP.
But see, here's the thing about that. Felony drug court, when people come back to this court from felony drug court,